Hello everyone, this is Sudesh Shukdakwe. I am here to give a presentation on earthquake resistant structure. My topic is sliding base isolation. First we see the introduction. Sliding base isolation is a seismic control techniques that enhance the resilience of structures during earthquake. It involves placing a sliding layer between the foundation and superstructure to absorb the seismic energy. Firstly, we see the sliding base isolation mechanism. Here we see the diagram regarding the sliding base isolation. Sliding base isolation relies on the principle of seismic isolation. It involves placing a layer of low friction materials, high density polythene between the foundation and the superstructure. During an earthquake, the building slides on this layer effectively, decoupling it the form of ground motion and reducing the transmitted forces. Next, the advantages of the sliding base isolation. Sliding base isolation offers the several advantages. It improves the structural resilience by dissipating the seismic energy and reducing the building's response to ground motion. It enhances the occupant's safety by minimizing structural damage and preventing collapse. Additionally, it allows for the cost-effective retrofitting of existing structures, providing a viable solution for improving their seismic performance. Next, purposes of sliding base isolation. We see the mechanism and advantages. Next, we see the purposes of sliding base isolation. First is the seismic protection. Sliding base isolation is primarily designed to protect building and infrastructure from the damaging forces of earthquake. Next, preservation of occupant safety. The primary concerns during an earthquake is the seismic safety of occupants within the building. Sliding base isolators helps to keep the structure stable and minimize the risk of injuries to people inside. Next is the minimize the structural damage. With sliding base isolation, the structural damage to the building is minimized. This can be reduce the repair and retrofitting cost after the earthquake. Last is the preservation of critical facilities. In this area, sliding base isolation is offered to critical facilities such as response centers and important infrastructure to ensure that the continued operation even after the earthquake. And finally, we get the conclusion after that sliding base isolation. Sliding base isolation is the promising technique for the enhancing structural resilience. Its ability to reduce the seismic forces, minimize the structural damage, and improve occupant safety make it the viable seismic protection strategy within successful real-world application and cost-effective retrofitting options. Sliding base isolation offers the practical solution for improving the seismic performance of the building in earthquake-prone region. This is from my side. Thank you.